Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a handy little gadget that caught our eye, the BSRCO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BSRCO Handheld Vacuum? This is a cordless vacuum cleaner designed to tackle the messes in your car, home, or office with ease. Weighing only 1.43 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle while still providing powerful suction thanks to its high-performance motor, which generates an impressive 8,000 pascals of suction power. This means it can effectively lift embedded dust, food crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair from carpets, car seats, and upholstery, giving you that professional-grade clean. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its long-lasting runtime. With up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning on a single charge, you can cover multiple rooms or clean your entire vehicle interior without interruption. This is about 50% longer than many standard handheld vacuums, making it a reliable option for those bigger cleaning jobs. Now, let's talk about noise. One of the key aspects of the BSRCO vacuum is its ultra-quiet operation, running at under 75 dB. This is quieter than a normal conversation, which makes it perfect for homes with sleeping babies or sensitive pets. You can even do some late-night cleaning without causing a disturbance. When it comes to convenience, the BSRCO vacuum is designed with modern users in mind. It features a USB-C charging port, meaning you can recharge it with your phone charger, power bank, laptop, or car adapter. No need for any proprietary docks, just plug it in and you're good to go. Another practical feature is its 450 ml dust cup, which has a one-touch, sealed emptying system. This prevents mess during disposal. Plus, it comes with a washable true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of microdust and is reusable, saving you money on replacements in the long run. So, who is this vacuum suitable for? If you're someone who owns pets, has a busy household, or needs a quick cleanup solution for your car, the BSRCO handheld vacuum is an excellent choice. It's also perfect for those living in smaller spaces or anyone who simply values a lightweight and effective cleaning tool. In practical use, you could take this vacuum on road trips to clean up spills and crumbs in your car, or keep it in your home for quick cleanups of pet hair or everyday messes. It's versatile enough to tackle different tasks and makes cleaning less of a chore. In summary, the BSRCO handheld vacuum combines powerful suction, a long-lasting runtime, and a lightweight design, making it a fantastic addition to any cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.